Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fadal Abbas, 2K24 AB57. Today I am going to discuss another sternum bone which is assigned by Sir Dr. Noor Samad. Sternum bone is basically composed of sternibri and it connects together by the internal cartilage and it forms the floor of thorax. It is presented medially and it has three parts, and the first part is manubrum, and the second is the body, and the third part is xiphoid. The first part of this bone is located towards the head, and so second the body is center of the bone, and third is xiphoid. It is located towards the tail of the body. Now I am going to discuss the sternum bone on the skeleton. So this is the sternum bone of a horse. It has the seven sternibri. First sternibri, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. It has seventh sternibri, and the first part of sternibri is called manubrum. It has the cartilage, manubral cartilage, and ox and dog doesn't have cartilage. And the third part is called xiphoid. It also contains the xiphoid cartilage, and the joint between the cartilage and sternum is called chondrosternum joint, and the joint between the cartilage and ribs is called the costochondral joint, and it is like a board shape, and it is compressed side to side. In ox we can see that in ox it is compressed dorso-ventrally, and in the horse it is compressed side to side, and it has a crest. Horse sternum have a crest which connects the pectoral muscle, and the horse and dog it doesn't have a crest. This crest we called the keel. So this is the sternum bone of ox. It doesn't have the manubral cartilage, and it is compressed dorso-ventrally. The ox, this is the dorsal part, and this is the ventral part. The ventral part is concave, and the ventral part is convex, and the it has it has also seven sternibri which connects the ribs together, and it has eight ribs.